Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. Look at this picture, children. Don't you think we should try writing a composition on this picture? So let's start. In this video, we are going to learn the language of pictures. But before we start writing, let's know what a picture composition is. What is a picture composition? A picture composition means writing sentences based on a given picture. For that, we have to observe the picture very carefully. Then, recollect the information given in the picture. And finally, describe the picture in small sentences. Children, there are a few points which we should remember to write a picture composition. First, we have to observe the picture very carefully. Don't forget, observation is the key to write a picture composition. Observe the actions, things in the picture and ask questions. Try to answer the question. Imagine the scene and try to make small sentences but in a logical order. Then select a suitable title for the picture. After selecting the title, write it on top as a heading. Then write the composition in paragraphs. Begin the paragraph a little away from the margin. For that, you can leave 3 finger space from the margin and then start writing. After completing one sentence, start the next one just after it. Don't write sentences individually. Now children, let's start. Look at this picture. Observe it carefully. To make it easy, we can jot down our observation. What is this picture about? Park. This is a picture of a park. How do we enter the park, children? Can you see a gate? Yes, there is a gate to enter the park. Now see who's walking with a small baby. A man and a woman are walking with their baby. Tell me, where is the baby, children? The baby is in a pram. Do you know what is a pram? Pram is a four-wheeled carriage for a baby. What does the man have on his shoulder? The man has a bag on his shoulder. Can you see an old woman? Where is she sitting? Yes, an old woman is sitting on a bench. What is a girl doing behind tree? She is hiding. One girl is hiding behind the tree. Children, do you see a boy running with a balloon? Yes, we see a boy running with a balloon in his hand. Do you see a boy sitting on the bench? We can see the headphones on his head. So what is he doing? Yes, there is a boy sitting on the bench listening to music. Children, do you think everyone is enjoying in the park? Yes, everyone is enjoying in the park. Don't you think they all are happy? Yes, they all look so happy. Now tell me, how does the park look, children? Is it clean, beautiful? Yes, the park looks very clean and beautiful. So children, here is the picture composition. I will read it for you all. The park. This is a picture of a park. There is a gate to enter the park. A man and a woman are walking with their baby in the pram. The man has a bag on his shoulder. An old woman is sitting on a bench. One girl is hiding behind a tree. We see a boy running with a balloon in his hand. There is a boy sitting on a bench listening to music. Everyone is enjoying in the park. They all look very happy. The park looks clean and beautiful. So this is how you can make your own sentences and write a composition of your own by observing a given picture. I am sure children, by now you all must have learned how to write a picture composition. Hope you all enjoyed learning how to write a picture composition.